Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change project size on CapCut PC. So I'll be showing you guys a few things because I'm not quite sure what they meant when they said like how you can change like your project size. A few commented on some of like the videos that are here. So it might be because they are asking like how to change the ratio, which is here. So for instance, I want a square aspect ratio, and I like want to change it. So I'm just going to select this bit here, and I'm just going to select this one by one. I'm going to select this video, and I'm just going to scale it to match with the background. And you can also change it to like 3x4 or 2x1. There's also like 1.85 by 1, 2, and there's like 5.8 inch. I don't know what that's for. You can also choose this one, which is basically the aspect ratio that a lot of people use for YouTube. This one's more for TikTok, 9:16. It's like the other way around. There's also a customized one where you can like change it yourself, like maybe 180 by 180. Press save to, and then it's going to create a square. It can also be like, you mean like the project itself, so like you want to like resize this here so it's easier for you to edit. You can also zoom in if you can't see some parts, and drag it around. Oh, sorry, don't drag it around. I meant like use your scroll button and drag it here to go to like to the left, to the right, and whatnot. But I hope I've answered the question correctly. You can also make the player kind of display larger by pressing player first. It's going to go to the left. You guys can't see it now, but it made the like project bigger if I enlarge it here. But I'm just going to put it back here. Or you can choose, let me see, media first, and then it's going to make this one large, and the media will go to your left screen if you do have a double screen, but this is just more compact for you guys to edit. But that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!